is an emergency message from the United States government. This is not a drill. As of January 6, 2018, the rockets aimed towards the meteors have been fired. However, we regret to inform that only 34 of the rockets made direct contact with the meteors. The 2 meteors destined to impact in Brazil and west of Ecuador have been successfully destroyed, but the 2 that will impact Mexico and the ocean west of California have had their courses altered, and the projected impact sites are within eastern New Mexico and southern Utah, and impact is expected to occur within the next 24 hours. All persons should evacuate these areas immediately.